National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Boone County in north-central Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Belvidere, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard. Underside hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belvidere, Poplar Grove, Candlewood Lake, and Timber Lane. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belvidere, Poplar Grove,